In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic custom responses with Slackbot. This is a quick and useful feature inside Slack that lets you create simple automated replies whenever someone types a specific word or phrase. It can be great for answering common questions, sharing quick reminders, or adding a little personality to your workspace in a consistent way. To begin, open your Slack application on your computer. Once Slack is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on your workspace name. This opens the main workspace menu where you can access additional settings and customization options. From the drop-down menu, move your cursor over Settings and Administration. A side menu will appear, and from there, click on Customize Workspace. When you select this option, Slack will open a new page in your web browser. That's completely normal since some workspace customization settings are managed through the browser rather than directly in the desktop app. On that web page, look near the top for the Slackbot tab and click it. This section is where you can manage the automatic responses Slackbot sends when certain phrases are detected. If you've never used this feature before, this is where you'll start building your first custom reply. Next, click the green Add New Response button. This will open the fields you need to create your automated message. In the field labeled when someone says, type the trigger word or phrase that you want Slackbot to recognize. If you want the same response to work for more than one phrase, you can enter multiple options and separate them with commas. This is helpful if people might ask the same thing in slightly different ways. Then, move to the field labeled Slackbot Response. Here, type the exact message you want Slackbot to send automatically whenever one of those trigger phrases is used. It's a good idea to keep your message clear and concise, so the response is easy for everyone in the workspace to understand. Once everything looks right, click the Save Response button at the bottom. That finalizes your custom automatic reply and makes it active in your workspace right away. And that's it. You've successfully created an automatic custom response with Slackbot. This is a simple feature, but it can save time and make your team communication more efficient. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more quick tips.